If in case we talk about bold scenes, yes, I am on. I only follow one rule in life. Whatever makes you feel comfortable. Wow. Wow, that was quite an experience, I'm telling you. This was amazing. Hi India Glitz viewers, I am Vandana Gupta and I'm really excited being on here, like on your channel and of course in Hyderabad. My movie is releasing tomorrow, which is 11th of March 2016. It's called Tulsi Dalam. Please, it's my request. Please go and watch it. Thank you so much. You might be wondering from where Vandana Gupta came all of a sudden. Well, if in case I'll talk about my background, I've been modeling for a couple of years now and I've been acting also. I started as a RAM model, then I got into movies. I have done a couple of films earlier also, and now I'm really excited about this particular film. I've been based in Mumbai. I've been working there for TV commercials, print ads. I do a lot of international ads also. So yeah, that's my background. Is there anything you want to ask? That's quite an interesting question. Well, I was working for an ad film in Mumbai, where RP sir, actually, my sister Archana Gupta, she had already worked with him once. So he was in Mumbai that time, and I got to meet him there, and he just thought that I fit the place just there. So that's how I'm here. Yes, I did. I definitely did. I did a Tamil film. I, in fact, did a Kannada film also earlier. And I did a film which is an international film, which is England based film, I would say. It is mostly England, partially Australia. So I did that film also. And yeah, but it was long ago, like Tamil and the Telugu and the Kannada film. It was long ago. And after that, I was really busy back in Mumbai. So I could not do a lot of film here, but I'm really excited about Tulsi Dalam. Should I tell you about my character or should I wait till tomorrow? You people will go and watch it, right? Well, I'll tell you a little bit so that there will be a lot of curiosity to go and watch. Well, it's a horror film. If in case you have seen the posters and the promos on television, you might know that it's a horror film. So my character is, I'm not a ghost in the film. First of all, I'm a pretty lady there also, if in case you think I'm pretty enough. Well, I am playing a tourist guide there, and it's based in US. The whole film is based in US. So I'm playing a tourist guide where I just guide the people to go to different places, and I just tell them that how it is and how tourist guide does their job. It is exactly like that. But there are a lot of ups and downs in the character where we'll meet the ghost and how it goes on. This is it, I'll tell you for now. Otherwise, you'll not go and watch it. That's a very interesting question, which I really like. Well, tourist guide, yes, played a lot of men. It does in, I think I would say it's more in India, but not in US and all. If India you'll go there, you'll find a lot of women are guide there, like tourist guides there. So since this film is based there, I'm playing tourist guide in it. Yes, I am. It's not that we are establishing our relationship later in the film, starts with our relationship already. So, yes, he is my boyfriend in the film. Wow. That's quite interesting to know that. Well, I'm really thankful to all of my team. They made me so comfortable that, for a microsecond also, I never felt that I'm shooting for a formal shoot or for a film. Like, it was all family, and Nishchal became really good friend. We are still friends. In fact, not only Nishchal, if in case I'll talk about the whole team, be it Deepak, which is again my another co-star, RP sir, or Sharat for that matter of fact, who's our DOP, who's like brilliant person, as whom human being I'm talking about. So they all were brilliant, and we became really close to each other during shoot. And I was the pamper kid among all the crew, since everyone used to pamper me a lot. So I was like really comfortable. So while shooting, during the shoots, I was very comfortable to shoot, where I never felt that, I have to face the camera and I have to do something this way, or it should not go that way. So maybe because of that particular reason, RP sir mentioned that I and Nishchal were very, very comfortable with each other. We definitely were actually. Wow, that was quite an experience, I'm telling you. This was amazing because we all know Las Vegas. It's like a dream city for everyone to go and have fun and enjoy and vacation. So when we were shooting, we were shooting when we used to get our day off. So we used to go play casinos, which I just mentioned in my earlier answer also, that we became like family. So it was all fun with the family. It was kind of vacation more than shooting, which actually was very much fun for not only me, for everyone, I guess. I don't know whether I made them comfortable enough, but I was very comfortable. So it was fun shooting in Vegas. Yes, it is true. I would not say it is like erotic or very exotic, but there is one. It's a love number more than I'll say it's erotic. It's beautiful love number, and it's beautiful to listen as well. I'm telling you, you will appreciate it. If in case, I always said it earlier also, I guess, that if in case my script requires it, I don't mind doing it. But yeah, there is a limit of everything. If in case we talk about bold scenes, yes, I am on. If in case my script requires it, if in case we talk about that, no, it's just to grab the attention from the crowd or from the mass or from your viewers, and it's not required in the script, I may avoid it also. But I would not say that I am not on for it. I am definitely okay if in case that's a need of the script. See, which I just mentioned, that there are a lot of scripts, there are a lot of movies I've seen lately where it was the need of the script. If in case you will not show it, you will not be able to base it properly, base the storyline, you will not be able to characterize the whole concept of the film, which is the storyline of the film. So if in case it's required, it is important to do. And if in case you're talking about the sensuality on screen, what is the definition, whether it's good or bad, there is nothing which is good or bad as such in it. But since it's a requirement, you must do it. If in case it's not, you can avoid it also. And again, when we talk about sensuality, there are a lot of people which just mistaken it by the saying that, wearing short clothes and less clothes becomes, it seems like that it's very sensuous and very sexy and whatever. But I think this is the camera game half of the time, which makes you more sensuous. And of course, how you act, how you portray yourself, how you move your body, how your actions are. So I think those are the important things to make you more sexy and sensual, more rather just cutting on your clothes or wearing whatever you want to, just the heck of doing. Yeah. I think I will play with, as I just mentioned, that I don't see. I am, of course, a modern woman who would love to wear everything, and I do also. But it's not that I portray myself only in that particular dress to make myself sensual or sexy on a screen. I know my potential, that I can look really sensual if in case I want to, in a ghagra choli or a sari or a salwar kameez also, because that's my acting or basically my eyes, my lips, how my body is moving, that makes me more sensual, rather just putting on the clothes. That's my definition of sensuality. As I just mentioned that my sister, she is also an actor. Her name is Archana Gupta. She is back in Mumbai right now. I have 3 siblings basically. I have actually, including me, we are 3 siblings. So we are 2 sisters, 1 brother. Brother is settled in Bangalore, again South India. My sister is working a lot of South Indian films, and then my mother is a housemaker. And we are quite chilled out. My father again is into accounts and all, and yeah, and my family is quite chilled out. It's not that anyone forced me to get into it, or anybody just asked me not to do it. In fact, they always supported me. Whatever I wanted to do in my life, they always supported me. Okay, go ahead. This is your life. Live it your way. And you know your limitations and your rules and regulations. Follow your own rules. So that was the funda of my family. What kind of a person am I? I'm quite a mixture of everything, I would say. I am very bubbly and happy girl otherwise in life, very happy-go-lucky, but at the same time, I'm quite mature also to take my own decisions. And yeah, like I only follow one rule in life: live and let live. Very simple rule. Wear your own skin in what you are comfortable. So my fashion statement is, whatever makes you feel comfortable, that's your fashion, and that's my fashion also. I don't go along with the, okay, high waist jeans are in the fashion, so I also have to wear high waist jeans, or maybe short skirts, or maybe sari. I just go with my own comfort level, and that's my fashion statement. Ah, you just saw one. I have another one on my back as also. So yes, I am. I love to get inked, but my inked are not just like that. I have 2 tattoos on my skin right now, and both of them has meaning of it. This says blessed, and there is a feather from heaven, there is a dust from heaven, and 3 stars. So basically, I'm blessed. The feather is my mother from heaven. The 3 stars which you can see here, these are 3 siblings, me, my sister, and my brother, and the dust from heaven is my dad. So that tattoo shows that. The another tattoo which is on my back is Om with Gayatri Mantra. So I'm quite spiritual as well. As I just said something, you know, I am certified yoga teacher also. I do a lot of yoga, and I read a lot of yoga Vedanta philosophy also. So when we talk about happiness, there is no mantra of happiness. If you will follow some particular mantra, no, this is the only mantra. I have to follow this only mantra to be happy. It will not work for everyone. Every individual is different. So finding your own happiness, look within, sit with yourself. If in case it's a 24 hours day, and not in case it's a certain thing that it's a 24 hours day. If you are very, very busy person in life, just find out 5 minutes or 2 minutes maybe. Sit with yourself, find yourself first. You know, nowadays why people are unhappy? Because they are losing themselves, finding happiness outside. If in case you will find yourself, you will find happiness. I will tell about the movie that I think I've told a lot of things, so I don't want to release or reveal anything right now on camera, but I will just say, please go and watch my film, make it a big success, and if you like me, you will get to see me again and again here in Telugu industry. Thank you so much, people.
హారర్ ఫిల్మ్ ఫ్యామిలీ కలిసి చూడడం అనేది ఇట్స్ నాట్ దాట్ పాసిబుల్, బట్ ఈ ఫిల్మ్ మాత్రం అంత ఫ్యామిలీ కలిసి చూడొచ్చు. వందనా గుప్తా, షీజ్ ఆర్ హీరోయిన్.
సంథింగ్ స్ట్రేంజ్. ఆత్మ చాలా పవర్ఫుల్ అని తెలిసింది. ఆయన ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా సాల్వ్ చేశాడు. నేను ఆత్మ వరకు చేరుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను.